Yeah. Fuck these swords for real, they ain't bout shit. Try to follow niggas around for dough, like I don't know what's going on. Freaky bitch better be gone after I get my nut, cause I don't wanna be a man. You a slut, letting niggas you in the butt. And these niggas is suckers for not knowing no better. Getting shot and robbed, you ain't rich, you lie. Getting tied up in the house, beat up with the gun, you can't run. Cause niggas that broke your legs, got you bleeding from your head, and you're scared to fight back. But you like that? Oh well, run, go tell. You a snitch anyway, testifying in court. Cops took the report to get a nigga life in jail. You play cards and shoot dice and like to tell. You can't weigh a brick on that little ass scale. Get it digital, I know a million ways to get rid of you. Fuck it. Kill yourself before a real nigga murder you quick. You broke, homie, yeah, so you ain't bout shit. Still living fucked up and your wife is a trick. Tryna niggas off for coke to sniff. Your kids crying, they hungry and they barely eating. It's a shame they gotta suffer cause daddy's a fake hustler. Murder yourself, bitch, stop playing yourself. You wanna run from drug cases, have money for lawyers, and you hustle for niggas that don't wanna see you prosper. Money ain't shit, the killers with choppers. Little niggas getting whipped, tryna be millionaires. Your queers been handcuffing a bitch for years.